Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix unable to install app. Please try again later on iPhone, iPad. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open mobile phone setting. Scroll it down. Now tap on App Store. Tap on it. Tap on app update, turn on. Tap on automatic download, turn on. And tap on rating review, turn on. After this, go back. Scroll it down. Now tap on screen time. Tap on content privacy restriction. Tap on iTunes and Play Store purchases. And tap on always require. After this, go back. Now tap on general, scroll it down, tap on transfer or reset setting, tap on reset and tap on reset network setting. Enter your passcode and after doing reset network setting. After this, go back. Now tap on iPhone storage. Check iPhone storage is available or not. If not, then free up space sometime. After this, go back. After doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.